Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. So let's start. Okay, so let me start with the story of what I was reading today about Baba. Okay, and I have kept two pictures or two cards already out to show you all. And so today I was reading about a person called Anantrao Patnakar. He was from Pune, and he wanted to see Baba, and he had made all the arrangements, and he decided that he will go to see Baba, because he was a guy who had read the Upanishads, the Vedas, but he felt somewhere the restlessness, like he feels that the knowledge is not complete. And so he thought, let me just go and see Baba. The moment he saw Baba, all the restlessness went, and he bowed near Baba, he offered puja to him, and he felt as if it was the most wonderful day of his life. And then he asked Baba, he said, Baba, I have read a lot of books, Vedas, Upanishads, everything, but my mind was always weird and restless. Now I have begun to feel that all my readings, learnings have been wasted. So, what is the point in reading so many books and shastras and anything where I have not got peace of mind at all? What is the reason behind it? And he told Baba that he has heard about Baba, and that's the reason he had come to see him. So he tells him, "O Sainath Maharaj, I have come to your holy and divine feet." So he tells him, bless my mind so that it becomes calm. Baba smiles at him. Baba always smiles, when people talk like these. I always feel Baba smiles at me, because I keep asking him all the stupid questions on this on this world actually. So Baba smiles at him, and he just smiles, and then Baba tells him a short story. He says there was a merchant on a horse. A horse standing in front of him happened to drop 9 nodules of the dung. So the merchant grabs this opportunity, and he spreads his cloth and he catches them. Okay, the moment he catches them, he securely ties those, and his mind becomes sturdy and concentrated. But this man Anantra couldn't understand. He was like, I don't understand, what does this mean? Actually, he means that the horse, okay, is the God's grace. The 9 lumps are 9 different types of devotion. Without devotion, God cannot be attained. With knowledge alone, God cannot be reached. So, what are the 9 types of devotion? Now, that is also there in Sai Satcharitra, the 9 types of devotions. Now, this is where I love his explanation. He says, the first one is Shravan, listening to the stories of gods and goddesses. Kirtan, singing the glory. Smaran, chanting or remembering him. Padusevan, washing the holy feet of the Guru. Archana, worship and services. Vandana, admiring him, admiring his energies. Dasya, service. Sakhya, friendliness. Atmanivedan, which is total surrender. So, Atmanivedan, which is the total surrender. Basically, he says, when you do all this and when you totally surrender to the God with full devotion, then you will get what you're seeking for. So, Anantrao, who was worshipping Baba's charan, Sai Baba asked, what did you now tie up the dung's molecules in your cloth, basically in your kapra? So he says, if your grace, Baba, is with this poor, meek, then anything can be easily tied up. So Sai Baba tells him, Allah bala karega, and all will be well with you. So after listening to this, he was overjoyed, and he just goes back with beautiful peace of mind. So that is why we always say, Om Shri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. See the card. The card says, When you step in Shirdi, you leave all your worries. I will deal with them. Did you see? I said a story, and the card has also come in that way. So Baba is just saying, leave everything to him, and Baba will definitely take care of it. Now let's see what Baba says in the next one. Baba says, read the words uttered by me and you will get the strength. I'm constantly talking to you. So again here Baba is reconfirming that I am always there. Now do this today. So as I said, do this today. Write a letter to Baba. Express your issues. I always do this. Whenever I feel my mind is not calm, whenever I feel my mind is very restless, I just write a letter to him. And I always just know that he is going to give me the answer to the question I am seeking. He is going to take care of the problems which I have written. Also today, say this mantra 11 times. Om Shirdi Vasaya Vidmahe Sachidananda Dhimahi Tanno Sai Prachodayat. Om Sai Ram. I hope you say this 11 times, you write a letter to him, and you see the beautiful blessings this amazing man brings in our lives. Because believe me, he is one who says, why fear? I am there and I will take care of everything. All you need is just a little bit of patience, and you need to hang out over there. Om Sai Ram.